I've been in aviation for over 30 years. This is the most exciting time I've seen.
We're all focused on sustainable aviation, and here in our project to build the world's fastest electric aircraft, we're really demonstrating what is possible with that new technology.
Getting airborne for the first time, the first flight, that's the culmination of so much work. People have put their life into this, and to see it first fly is incredible.
Ready flight. Going flight.
It's a very proud moment for all of us to see this plane that we've spent the past 3 years working on taking into the air for the first time. We're hoping to inspire people actually what is possible.
The fact that we've got this project actually off the ground, which has been everyone's focus, very quickly after that will be into the world record attempts. And that's really exciting.
It's not just about going fast, it's about all the technology and how we then bring that into the aircraft of the future.